Today we will be testing the AlphaTrend indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the AlphaTrend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 81 different strategies. We've tested a total of 884 indicators, and we've tested a total of 87 indicators in the retesting stage. Now, if you are interested in a full list of the strategies and indicators along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the AlphaTrend indicator. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the AlphaTrend indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so the setup on this is really easy. When we get a buy signal from the AlphaTrend indicator, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we get a sell signal from the AlphaTrend indicator, that's going to be a signal to go short. You can see the nice push to the downside right here. Before we get on with the testing of this indicator, if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Even if it's not a profitable trading indicator, please don't give it a thumbs down. Giving the video a thumbs up helps the YouTube algorithm, keeps YouTube happy. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We definitely want to keep YouTube happy and keep them pushing the videos out to more viewers. Alright, so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that sell tag right there, and we get a decent little push to the downside. Looks like it comes down far enough to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, we then pick up a buy signal right here on this one. You can see that buy tag right there. Unfortunately, this one immediately starts to make a push back to the downside, and that one does come down and stop us out, unfortunately. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year to see what it was able to achieve. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the 1 year of testing, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. You can click on that video and check out the strategy. It's a proven profitable trading strategy that we have developed, like I said, here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. We have back tested it and forward tested it, and we are constantly making small tweaks to it, optimizing it and making it better and testing it on other things. We are also looking to automate that strategy. That's something that we are working on and hopefully we'll have done in the very near future. Once we get that done, we will be offering that to our current patrons at a discounted price for a limited time and offering it for other patrons as well. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get this squashed back just a little bit there. Alright, let's go ahead and count this out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3 winning trades. So that's only going to put us at a 50% win rate. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Now, it is interesting to note that it does seem like this indicator was giving some pretty decent signals. You notice that we get a buy signal right here, takes a little bit, but then we get a nice push to the upside. We get a sell signal here, also takes a little bit, but then we get a nice push to the downside, and so on. Not all of them were the greatest, but it does feel like without maybe as tight of a stop, this would have definitely got some better win rate out of it. And so I think it's definitely a decent indicator. It is also a scanner. If you look right here, it is scanning some other crypto pairs and telling you whether or not they are in an uptrend, a downtrend, or it looks like just kind of flatlined. And so also a decent little cool part to this indicator. And so unfortunately, though, is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so it is going to have to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.